are you and where are you from?
I'm Rita and I'm from Portugal.
Why are you here?
Well, I'm a very entrepreneurial person and I think this is the right time to be in this place.
Nice.
Perfect timing and location.
Why did you come to Web Summit and why do you think you're different?
That's a tricky one.
I know, right?
Because, like I said, I really like all the entrepreneurial stuff going on and I'm finishing my MBA, so I need to see what I'm going to go into next. I also have 2 startups, so it's also nice to see how it fits
Nice,
the
nice.
company and the company fits here. And I'm very enthusiastic and
That's the spirit.
very entrepreneurial, and I guess everyone is.
That's a really good point. And tell us, the funniest story, like good or bad, that has happened to you in your company that you can remember.
It's very, very new company. There's not many stories.
It can be anything. Small thing. That was funny to you.
Funniest. I actually don't know. I can't find anything.
Okay, then tell us a secret about you or your company that no one knows. Like something random.
That no one knows is to continue to not knowing.
A small secret.
I'm the shortest person in my class.
I feel you. She's shorter than me, so
I am.
I think like a centimeter or something.